how to check iPhone repair history. So if you want to check your iPhone repair history, then what you need to do is first, you need to just go with the control center. From the control center, you need to tap and hold on to your brightness, and you will have the three options which will be on the bottom, right? So you need to check the true tone option if it is enabled, or if you cannot find the true tone option, that means the device is 100% repaired. When someone opens an iPhone, the true tone is the first thing that goes away. For method 2, you can check the Face ID. Once we're done from here, you need to go back to your settings. Now from the settings, you need to scroll down and then tap on Face ID and password. Just enter your password and try to set up your Face ID. If you see this feature is not working, or if it gives you a different error, it could mean that this device has gone to a repair store. Now for the third method, you can check whether it's a refurbished device or not directly from your settings. If you want to do that, then let's close the settings and then again open it, scroll down a bit, and then you will find an option of general. Tap on general. Now go with about. Now look closely at the model number, the bare specific model number like this. So check the model number and see if it starts with M or F. If it starts with M, like my device, it means that this is a factory sealed device and it's a brand new. If they started with F instead of M, then it will indicate that it's a refurbished iPhone. If your model starts with F, then it means your iPhone is a certified refurbished device. That means this device has gone to an Apple repair store. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.